Meaning of enlistment.
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 Enlistment. Enlistment refers to the act of joining a military or armed force as a service member. This can involve signing a contract, taking an oath, and completing basic training. The result of enlistment is that the individual becomes a member of the military and may be required to serve a specific period of time, typically several years. During this time, they may be deployed to different locations around the world and be called upon to perform a variety of duties, ranging from combat operations to humanitarian aid and disaster relief efforts.